Welcome back to King Online Trading School. If this is the first time you'll be watching any of our video or this analysis, make sure you click that subscribe button and don't forget to activate the bell icon. Hooray! We are very glad and super excited to share with you that we'll be launching our trading indicators, as you can see right in your front. This is a long awaited indicators. We have been on this for a while, and to the glory of God, this is super ready to introduce to the public. So guys, join us tomorrow as we will be launching our most awaited application by tomorrow, June 12th, 2022 by 6 p.m. Nigerian time, 6 p.m. UK time, 5 p.m. Ghana time, and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to be live on Zoom. We've been able to put everything together to come up with two different indicators. One is for binary option, and this has between 70 to 80% win rates. This is super amazing. We also have another one known as KOT Master App. This is known as King Online Trading Master App. This has between 75 to 85% win rate, and these indicators can be used to trade Forex pair, cryptocurrency, synthetic, and stocks. So guys, you want to be at this launching tomorrow because we have a whole lot to share with you guys. This is something you definitely don't want to miss. This is actually called Trading Simplified. These indicators is just to give you the signal and you go along and trade with the signal. This is super amazing, guys. You don't want to miss out tomorrow. Make sure you're there with us live. Invite someone. Right, these indicators, we're going to share a lot with you concerning this indicator, and you are going to be super delighted with what you are going to get with this indicator. So make it a day with me tomorrow by 6 p.m. June 12th Nigerian by June 12th 6 p.m. Nigerian time. We're going to be dishing this out. We're going to be launching these indicators to the general public, and of course we'll be giving out free tests to a lot of people who are willing to take a test to see how these indicators is going to give out a lot of profit to them. All right, so guys, make sure you're there tomorrow, and let's dive into the whole process right about now. So guys, I'm super excited to be here. Our last week analysis was really a bomb, and to the glory of God, about 70% of our analysis played out, and we rolled in massive profit. And the indicator we are going to be, one of the indicators we are going to be launching has this strategy in it, and the indicators will help you not to overtrade, and it will help you to trade profitably, because we added few other things to the indicators that will make it more better and give you the right signal. So guys, if you are watching this analysis for this video for the first time, what you are looking right in front of you is called the King strategy. This is the combination of moving averages, stochastic, and RSI. This strategy has between 70 to 85% win rate if you follow the trading conditions accordingly. And if you really want to learn more about this strategy, make sure you watch this video to the end. You're going to find a video link at the end of this video that is going to that explains everything concerning this strategy. All right, and we also have a bunch of video that can help you to take sniper entry on this very strategy. All right, so guys, let's get started. If you are here to subscribe, make sure you click that subscribe button, and don't forget to activate the bell icon. All right, so this analysis is between Monday 13th of June to Friday 17th of June 2022. Monday 13th of June to Friday 17th of June 2022. So the first pair I'm going to be taking a look at is AUDUSD. And before I dive into that, please take note that we pick our entry time frame on 1 hour. Our entry is based on 1 hour, and we use H4 as our filter time frame, while we also analyze between the weekly down to 1 hour. All right, so take note of that as we will be analyzing from weekly down to H1, which is our entry time frame. So based on H1 and H4 on the AUDUSD, this is currently sell bias, and in the last couple of days we've seen USD going strong, and we expect this to continue this coming week. So according to H1 and H4, AUDUSD is currently sell bias. So going to the weekly time frame, we see the weekly candle closed in red, and this is also a bearish momentum candlestick pattern. So this signifies more downside on this pair. So our weekly target for AUDUSD is found right at this yellow support at 0.6841. So going into the daily time frame, we also see the daily candle close in red, and this is also bearish momentum candlestick pattern. So we expect this to keep pushing down. So our daily target for AUDUSD is found right at this support, at this blue support at 0.6951. Okay, so going into the entry time frame, we've seen the pair has dropped. So we want to wait for the pullback to happen. Wait for the pullback to happen when we catch our sell entry to the downside. All right, sell entry to the downside, and the first profit should be taken before the blue support, while the weekly target is right at the yellow support. So AUDUSD, this is a good trade to look out for a sell. So AUDCAD is the next pair I want to take a look at. AUDCAD, according to H1 and H4, this is currently sell bias. So going into the weekly time frame, so this has closed in red. So we expect this to keep pushing down. So our weekly target for this is quite a long way to the downside. Okay, so our weekly target, we expect this level right here to get broken before the weekly target can be achieved. And of course, we don't expect price to touch this target, the yellow support, in 1 or 2 or 3 weeks. This may take several weeks before price get to that level. All right, so our overall target for this is at this yellow support at 0.8534. So going into the daily time frame, so the daily candle also closed in red with a pin bar. So this is a clear symbol that we should expect more downside right here. So more downside is expected right on the AUDCAD. All right, so our daily target for AUDCAD is found right at this support at 0.8921. That is our daily target for AUDCAD. So going into the entry time frame, so we've seen the drop, then we want to wait for this pullback to happen, right? Wait for this pullback to happen, then we catch our sell to the downside, and the first profit should be taken before the blue support. And if that level get broken, there we'll go. We'll start looking out for the longer move to the downside. So AUDCAD, this is also a good one to look out for a sell. EURUSD all the way. So EURUSD is the next pair I want to take a look at. EURUSD, according to H1 and H4, this is currently sell bias, and we've been seeing the drop on the USD. So right here on the weekly, we expect EURUSD to drop some more during this coming week, because the weekly candle closed in red, and this is also a bearish momentum candle. So our weekly target for EURUSD is found out at this yellow support at 1.0353. All right, so the daily target is found right at this support at 1.0458, which is at this blue support. So going back into the entry time frame, which is H1, we wait for this to reverse to the upside, and we take the sell entry to the downside, and the first profit should be taken before this blue support. And if that level get broken, we are heading on to the yellow support. This is also a good trade setup to look out for a sell. Euro USD, look out for a sell. GBP USD, according to H1 and 4, is currently sell bias. Okay, so the weekly candle, we see this close in red, and this is also a bearish momentum candlestick pattern, which signals more downside on this pair. So our weekly target right on this pair is fine right at this support, which is at this yellow support at 1.1953. So the daily candle also closed in red with a bearish momentum candlestick pattern. So we expect more downside to come right on this GBP USD. So our daily target is found right at this support at 1.2149. All right, so going into the entry time frame, we wait for this, for the pullback to happen. We wait for the pullback to happen. Then we catch our sell entry to the downside. Our first profit should be taken before this blue support right here at 1.2149. And if that level get broken, we'll be heading on to the yellow support. So this is also a good trade to look out for a sell. GBP USD, look out for a sell. NZDUSD is the next pair I want to take a look at right now. Okay, so NZDUSD, according to H1 and 4, is currently sell bias, and the weekly candle, we see this close in red, and this is also bearish momentum candlestick pattern. This type of pattern is what we've been seeing across USD pairs, and this is a huge correlation that tells us that more downside is going to come. So the weekly target for NZDUSD is found out at this blue support at 0.6213. All right, that's going to be our weekly target for NZDUSD. So, and the daily target is found right at this support, and we can see the candle also closed with a rejection from the upside to the downside, closing out to be a bearish momentum candlestick pattern. So, we signal more downside right on this pair. So, going back to the daily time frame, sorry, the entry time frame, we wait for the pullback to happen, right? Then we take our sell entry to the downside, and the first profit before the blue support, while the second and weekly profit is known as is seen at this yellow support. So this is a good one to also look out for a sell. NZDUSD, look out for a sell. USDCAD, according to H1 and 4, is currently buy bias. All right, so the weekly candle, we see the weekly candle close in bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So we expect more downside to actually come right on this pair. So our weekly target for this is fine right at this yellow top right here. The yellow resistance at 1.3068. All right, so going into the daily time frame, we see the daily candle close in green, so which we expect it to rally up to this resistance before any significant reversal or break to the upside. So our daily target for USDCAD is found right at this blue resistance at 1.2884. All right, so going back into the entry time frame, we wait for this pullback to happen. All right, then we catch the buy entry to the upside, and the first profit should be taken before the blue resistance. If we see a close of candle right above this resistance, then we are heading higher to the weekly target. So USDCAD, this is a good one to look out for a buy. USDCAD, look out for a buy. USD Swiss franc is currently buy bias according to H1 and 4. All right, so going to the weekly time frame, we see the weekly resistance is found right at the yellow resistance at the top. All right, let me try to change this so don't get confused. Okay, the weekly target is found right at this yellow resistance at 1.0053. 1.0053, and the daily target is found right at this. It's also found at the same support right here, but right now we can see this is currently sitting at a resistance right here. So what we expect is to break to the upside Okay, so our weekly and daily target is found out at the yellow resistance at 1.0053. So going into the entry time frame, we expect this to pull back right here. All right, then take our buy entry to the upside and take some of your profit before you get to the yellow resistance above. Okay, so USD Swiss franc is a good one to look out for a buy. So the last pair I want to take a look at right this moment is USD JPY. According to H1 and 4, USD JPY is currently buy bias. So the weekly candle, okay, you see the weekly candle has a long journey to the upside at 147.35. So that is our weekly, that is going to be our weekly target. All right, so going to the daily target, we can find several moves within that before it gets to the promised land. So now this is what we do, guys. Once you take your buy, wait for the pullback and take your buy to the upside. You can take ratio 1:2 as your TP1, while you take the overall profit at the yellow resistance above. All right, but this is also a good one to look out for a buy. USD JPY, look out for a buy. So this is all I have for you right on this pair. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click that subscribe button. And once again, guys, don't miss out tomorrow as we launch this long awaited application known as indicator. Okay, we'll be launching an application for binary options for those who are trading binary options. So we'll be showing you how to use this indicator to use it and use it profitably. If you follow everything, trust me, if you have been failing in binary options, you have not been making money, this is the time to catch the bull by the horn. This is the time for you to start making money. You don't need to learn any strategy. All you need is just to be able to click buy or sell and follow simple instructions to make money with this binary options app. And this app is also good for scalping, guys. This is really, really phenomenal. You don't want to miss out to use this application to scalp. You can use this to scalp in Forex market. You can use this to scalp in the crypto market. And trust me, on a daily basis, you can catch up to 6-7% or even more on Forex while you're scalping using this application. Guys, this is really, really, really phenomenal. You don't want to miss out. Make sure you're there right at the launching. And the other application known as App 2, King Online Trading Master App. This is basically for those who want to day trade, you want to swing trade. Okay, you can use this application on Forex, cryptocurrency, synthetic, and stock. Okay, all you need to do is just to put this indicator on your MT5 and let it generate trading signal for you. All right, this indicator is being put up based on the popular strategy, the King strategy, with some little extra filter to make it work accurately. And trust me, it has been phenomenal, guys. So this is the time. If you are facing a lot of issue sticking to a strategy, this app is going to help you to stick to this strategy, to one strategy. Is going to help you to make money. So guys, join me tomorrow as I go on a date with you. Okay, tomorrow, Sunday, June 12th, 2022 by 6 p.m. Nigerian time, 6 p.m. London time, 5 p.m. Ghana time, and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right on Zoom. It's gonna be a 45-minute journey, and I'm gonna be giving free test access to the participants. So you want to come on board, come and test this and see how it's going to work and make money for you. All right, so guys, I can't wait. We can't wait to launch this app because we've taken a lot of our time, well over a year, to put these two applications together, and we've taken a lot of time to test it out, to twist it, to see that everything is perfect before we bring it out to you guys. I'm super excited. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you are there. Make sure you invite someone and do not mix out. All right. So if you're yet to subscribe, click that subscribe button, hit the like button, drop your comment in the chat, and of course, make sure you share this video with everyone. You might be helping someone, right, with this video. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow and see you guys next week as well. Have a lovely day and happy trading. Bye bye for now and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now and God bless.